और अब ये जानिए, कासा मंसूबा ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में बिजली की किल्लत को पूरा करेगा बल्कि ताजिकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान ताल्लुकात में एक अहम संग मील साबित होगा। ताजिक वज़ीर ने प्रोग्राम बोल आदिल अब्बासी में पाकिस्तानी अवाम को खुशखबरी सुना दी। साथ ही कहा कि मंसूबा 2 साल में मुकम्मल हो जाएगा। ताजिक मेहमान ने पाकिस्तानी खानों की तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि बिरयानी उनकी पसंदीदा डिश है।
It's projects where the green energy of at least 1,000 megawatts. This will remain as a flagship project for our two countries. Progress in Pakistan is well advanced. It's going to be completed in months ahead. I'm looking forward to visit the project site shortly. We aim to commission it in the next 2.
One of the favorite city in Pakistan?
It is Lahore, and it's actually Islamabad because it's very greenery. Chicken and mud biryani is my favorite one.
Wow, great.
So we are geographically very close to each other, and we can certainly, by connecting these dots again, will not only benefit bilaterally, but also can become a significant players regionally.
Thank you so much, Excellency Juma Daler Shah Fakir, Honorable Minister for Energy and Water Resource, for giving your precious time. And I hope I pronounced your name correctly.
Absolutely. Thank you, Muhammad Adil Abbas. I think I did the same.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।